So hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I style my wigs. So let's get into the video. As you can see, I've started by straightening the hair, and prior to this I was curling the hair and I didn't like the curls, so then I changed to straighten. So I'm just using my straightener and it's on 300 degrees, and I'm using this to straighten my hair. And as you can see, I'm parting it out in sections so it can make sure that there's even distributed ease throughout all the strands of the hair. To finish straightening the first section, you want to comb through it or use a brush so there's no flyaways and the hair is laying down very nice and straight. And I further go into define my hair using the Soft and Beautiful Ultimate Condition Sheen Spray to just add a bit of shininess to my hair. This is not necessary if you don't want to, but this is my preference, so I do so. So once I've finished with the previous section, I part out a next section and then part that section into mini sections and straighten it. And as you can see, I'm going over that one section of hair multiple times to ensure that it is fully straightened. And you also want to make sure that you detangle the hair prior to straightening it, because this will make your work a whole lot easier, trust me. Now here you can see me going in with my oil sheen to just give the hair a little bit of shine. Once I finish adding the sheen, I go over the hair again with the straightener just to make sure that there's no flyaways. So once I've finished straightening the back section, I remove the elastic band from the front of the hair, as I'm going for a half up, half down type of look today. I then slightly straighten the section that I'm planning on putting in the ponytail. Then I'll use the elastic band to put it in a high bun. I don't know what happened to my camera at this point because it wasn't catching the full hair when I was putting it in a ponytail, but you'll see it as I proceed, so sorry about that. I then double knot the elastic band and then use it to catch the hair in a ponytail. Then I remove some of the hair from the back section and I wrap it around the elastic band. That clip I didn't get on camera, and then I took out two sections from the ponytail bit and I used that to create some baby hairs. Then I'm just gonna be straightening the top of the ponytail, and this is the finished look, guys. I hope you like it, and stay tuned for more hair tutorials, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.